everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to unrepost a post on Instagram. Sometimes we share someone's post to our profile and later decide we don't want it there anymore. The good news is it only takes a few taps to remove it. So let's jump in. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the repost icon over here. Here you will see the list of reposted items. Just tap on whichever post you want to unrepost and simply tap on this icon for unrepost. The post will instantly disappear from your profile, but don't worry, it won't delete the original creator's post. And that's it. That's how easy it is to unrepost on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.